Hey friends, welcome back. Fur and feather friends. Once again with Napoleon, the center of attention. Right, boy? Look at him. So beautiful. So handsome. He's having his brunch. Green beans, mango, lettuce, cabbage, squash, broccoli, apples, cucumbers, everything you can think of. There's nothing too good for this boy. That's why he's so big and healthy. Napoleon, say hello to your group here. You have a couple of thousand views. There you go. That's Napoleon for you. Handsome boy. Please like, share, and thank you for watching.